Hello and thanks for tuning in. This video is gonna be out of the box picking on this Biltema laminated padlock. It costs around, I guess, $8. It's part of a low budget lock series that I do for Norwegian locks, just to show people what you're paying for. 40mm padlock, steel body. I don't know about the shackle, but it says hardened. It works. Let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 pin. Similar to a master keyway, actually, I believe. Opened as expected. It already falls apart. Okay. That was single pin picking. Didn't take much time. Let's see if we can rake it. If we have a rake, let's see, we can try to use this snake rake. My raking skills is far below any others. Open. I actually single pin picked it faster than I could rake it, I believe. See, a little bit lighter tension and open, of course. Okay. Single pin picking takes a little bit of skill, but not on this lock. Raking on this lock, you can basically teach a child in 5 minutes to rake this lock. So if you are gonna buy this lock from Biltema, think twice about what you're securing with it. It's not much more than just a large piece of steel. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm still here with this laminated padlock from Biltema. As I was supposed to put it away, I noticed a little thing that I didn't see prior to ending the video. If you see here, the plug itself is brass, the pins are brass, but the white little ring here, I expect that to be the lock housing or the Bible, and it seems to be made out of plastic. So that gave me a little idea. I haven't destroyed anything on my channel yet, but destroying things is of course a lot of fun. So I thought, how about we torch it? Would you like to see that? A little torching of a lock? I would. So let's bring out some tools and see if we can open it with melting the Bible. I think that's possible at least once. Yeah. Stay tuned. Okay, we're all set up outside. It's a busy day in the neighborhood. There's a lot of background noise, but the torch is gonna make a lot of sound anyway, so I don't think that's matter. Still a working lock. So let's fire up the torch and see what happens. definitely some burnt plastic smelling now, so now it's starting to come out. I think we're ready. We're gonna give it a try. Yep. It's definitely a rubber plastic core, or plastic housing. Still hot. So you basically can use a blowtorch and open this lock. Okay, just a little add-on. Let's try to see what it takes to get the core completely out of the lock using the blowtorch. Some leftovers of the pin, but there's the core. Totally removed, and it's definitely plastic inside here. So there we go.